Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking about this Dahlia release from MZ Wallace. Alright, so in today's video I have two new bags to share with you. One is in the Dahlia color from MZ Wallace and the other one is in the Dahlia Camo print from MZ Wallace. I wasn't going to purchase any bags in either the print or the color when MZ Wallace first released it. It just kind of wasn't something that was screaming out to me as something that I had to have. I was really drawn to the new large shoulder bag as well as the medium box tote and the deluxe scout bag, and so I grabbed those immediately because I really wanted to see those styles and kind of how they were, and I loved the magnet color. So I kind of ignored this color and this print, thinking that I'll just let that one pass, I don't really need it. And then I started seeing some people get different bags in it, and I'm like, that is such a pretty color and print, and I think it's gonna transition into fall really nicely. So I ordered a bag in each of them and I love them. I love them. I think they're beautiful. I was on the fence with what style I was gonna get, especially in the camo print. I was between the Sling Bag, which is what I have here to show you, and the the Metro backpack, which I think would be adorable in this print also, and I might maybe get it. I don't know, we'll see. But the print is stunning. It's so pretty. I can't wait to show it to you. All right, so I love both of these bags, but I'm gonna save the Sling for last because it's my favorite. I love the details of it. This here is the Dahlia Small Satin Deluxe. I love this style from MZ Wallace. The Metro collection is like my favorite from them. I tend to grab pretty much any style that they ever release in it because I just love how it can be casual and also dressed up if you want it to be. I think this color is gonna be, like I mentioned earlier, really pretty transitioning into fall and even into winter. I think it's gonna pair with a lot. It's just kind of a nice like statement piece. And the color, I feel like the color is picking up. I probably shouldn't have worn this shirt, honestly. I don't know if it's distracting because it's so like close in shade, but I feel like the color is picking up very bright on my camera. I have a lot of like natural light here coming into my kitchen, but in person it's almost like a deep like raspberry, if you will. But it's really pretty shade. I can't like say enough about it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The hardware on this one is gold, so I think it complements this bag really well. For those of you that might not be familiar with the small satin, I have a number of packing videos on this one. I'm happy to do another one. I seem to always pack it up different every single time that I use it, but I will try to remember and link some of those, or you can of course search them, and I think I have maybe 2 or 3 from over the years. But just a quick little rundown on this one. The small satin, you do have smaller handles here at the top. They won't fit over your shoulder, but they comfortably fit here in the crook of your arm. The bottom of the bag does have some leather feet to kind of protect it. And then as far as exterior pockets of this bag, you do have 2 here at the top. You have one right here, which can easily like hold your cell phone or keys or small items. And then you have the same size one right there in the back of the bag. So 2 exterior pockets on this one. On the top here of the bag, you do have double zipper pulls that open up so that you can get into the inside of the bag. You can unhook the sides of the bag, gives it a little bit different of a silhouette, but by unhooking them, you can attach the optional crossbody or messenger strap, which I'll pull out here in a minute. But also when you unhook them, the bag gets just a little bit bigger. You can hold a little bit more in it, and it opens up much wider than if you keep the sides kind of clamped down. But the bag actually holds way more than you think it would. It does come with this optional little pouch on the inside of the bag, and it's attached here to the key leash that's on the inside. And then, like I mentioned earlier, you do have the crossbody strap that you could wear this bag, either crossbody or over your shoulder. As far as pockets on the inside of this bag, you have the traditional MZ Wallace zipper pocket, and inside this zipper pocket, you do have 2 more small little like slip pockets in there. And then on the other side of the bag, you have 2 more pockets. One's a little bit bigger than the other one and they're both trimmed in leather, so you can easily kind of find the pockets on the inside here of the bag. Putting the strap here on the bag, just want to show you quickly how it looks on the shoulder, and then I will loosen it here just a little bit. I've kind of done a number of videos of this bag on the body, but just kind of a little refresher. This is how it would look crossbody. So it's a great bag, I love it, and I'm a little obsessed with this color. Moving on to what I think is going to be my new favorite bag leading into fall, and that is the Sling Bag. And this bag is not one that is new to my channel. I've had it in a number of colors. I've done a number of reviews on it. I still have it in black as well as in buff, and I use them all the time. And this one is just such a beautiful one to add to my collection. If you're on the fence with this bag or this print, don't be. Like, I highly recommend it. Some of the things that I really love about this print combo are the zipper colors and the hardware color. I'm gonna kind of zoom in just a little bit so that you can see here. As you can see here, the hardware color is this beautiful brushed gold, and the zipper color is olive, which I think was such a pretty choice instead of doing like a red that's in here to kind of bring out that olive green. I think is really pretty going into fall. While I'm zoomed in, I'm gonna go ahead, I think, and unzip it here so that you can see the interior color, which is also so beautiful. It's that Dahlia red, and it just accents the bag so well. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Personally, to me, I feel like this camo print almost looks floral, and I know I've heard a couple of different people say that they agree with that statement. From a distance, it just almost looks like a deep, like, forest of flowers. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's just really pretty. The straps that come with the Sling Bag are obviously this wrapped gold chain, and it is the same olive green that you see kind of accented. This is how I typically wear the Sling Bag. I love to wear it with the chain strap, and I even have a little bit of kind of room back there. So I feel like if you're taller, you could probably use the chain strap as your crossbody strap if you wanted to. I go between this strap as well as this kind of chunkier, like seatbelt type strap. I do sometimes like to wear this. Actually, I'll kind of change it up for you so that you can see. But I will sometimes add this strap and then just have the chain as the accent that I think that it's designed for. There's a third strap that does come with this Sling Bag, and it is this seatbelt material again, and it has these two hooks, and it has a clasp so that you could wear it, I guess, around your waist if you wanted to kind of wear this as a traditional like fanny pack, if you will. I've never once used this strap on any of my Sling Bags. All right, so this here is what the bag looks like on the body with the chain strap just kind of hanging here, and then worn with this thicker strap here at the top. I wear it like this a lot. I like it because it doesn't slip around on the body. Like sometimes with the chain strap, it will kind of move around a little bit, but I like to kind of sometimes pull the bag to my back and wear it back here. Most of the time, I just have it kind of almost hanging crossbody a lot of the times, but I also just kind of wear it like this. So I love this bag. I feel like I've done a number of videos on it. It's just one of my favorites. It is my favorite MZ Wallace bag for sure. And this print is such a fun little change up on it. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were interested in seeing this MZ Wallace Dahlia Camo print or the Dahlia color and seeing it on two of their styles. I will have my MZ Wallace affiliate link pinned in the comments as well as in the description box. I so appreciate it. Anytime you guys think of me when you shop MZ Wallace and shop through my link. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.